indicate this problem. If you try normally, no problem. You see? The light comes on, car dies out. That means that it won't get the fuel. Yeah, car's dead. Okay, shut the engine off. Starts right up. Okay, now let's see what trouble codes we have over here. Gateway scan. Engine control module. Okay. Once the car dried out, I'm scanning the trouble codes. Fuel pressure regulation. All lower control limit, upper limit exceeded. As you can see, there's definitely a problem with the fuel system. Since the customer states that 3 years ago, once you purchased the car, he hasn't changed the fuel filter at all, then I would firstly start from that. I did a visual check. I didn't see any broken lines or any broken wires, so I assume that problem will be only in the filter itself. So let's try back and try to change the filter and see will this solve this problem. So it's loose. Let's wiggle this thing out. Up. This is apart now. Okay, the car started. Brand new filter is on. Let's see. Let's do some test drive and see how it feels. Let's run now better or not. Sport mode. Like a new car. No problem at all. This chimney is going off. It's the seatbelt one, obviously. I did replace the fuel filter since it wasn't replaced many years. The car started acting much better. Didn't die out at the first test drive, but later on when I did the second test drive, it still died out. But it starts like normal car, no problems. And if you drive normally, then it will run perfectly. Only thing the glow plug spiral is flashing, so it means it's still not in perfect shape. So what it tells me that maybe it has a little bit of bad fuel inside it. But what I'm planning to do now, I want to take this fuel pressure regulator off, test it on the table. It sits right over here. Connector is over here, and then see what it does then. And as well, I'm going to add into the fuel something like that. So maybe it helps to clean some guts out and make this car run better again. In order to access the fuel regulation valve, I took this fuel line off. Now I'm taking this one out, so I have enough clearance to use the wrench to crack it loose. And 17mm for this banjo bolt. Don't lose it. Looks like that. And there is a gasket as well. And now in order to crack the valve loose, 30mm wrench. I turn this inside part. See, it's coming. And we should be able to get it out. Okay, so I did clean a little bit this regulation valve. If you watch closely, there is small filter-like element top of this nozzle. I don't know will the camera zoom it in or not. I did clean it, soak it through with carburetor cleaner, and perhaps it helps. I'm going to replace the O-rings as well and put it back together and see what it does then. I may need to turn this breech screw in order to start this car, maybe. Not maybe, but obviously it got some air into the system now. And test driving the car with a normal load. I'm not pushing the limits yet. Let's see what it does and how it behaves. Right now, no problems, no spiral, no engine management light yet. But obviously, it doesn't mean it's okay. I have to take it a longer test drive in order to see how it behaves. Okay, now The fuel system, in case you happen to have a same issue with this car, cuts out, same engine management light comes on, or the spiral is flashing, the glow plug spiral, then first of all think about that when you last time serviced your car, because the main reason you have to service your car every now and then, not like this one where this customer has owned this car 3 years, and no single time he has let anybody to change the fuel filter on this car, and no, he does not have any records about when it were changed at all. I didn't find any writings on the filter itself as well. Usually people write with a marker pen, the date and year and everything on the filter when they change it. Well, never mind. Anyway, that filter were bad, clogged badly. I changed this out, added fuel additive for an injector cleaner, and added a brand new fuel. Top of that, old little bit what it had, almost half gas and half of tank it had, so I added another half top of it, and from another gas station as well. The pressure regulation valve I did took out, cleaned, changed O-rings, and that solved the problem. Car now seems to be running. I did by myself a super long test drive, or almost 100 kilometers, different driving conditions, normal, then hard accelerations, speeding, everything, and seems like it runs and works. And now customer has been driving with it last 2 days, and he's happy. So let's hope that's it for now. And hopefully that video will help you to start somewhere and to find the problem itself. Maybe you don't have the exact same problem with it, because there can be different options with same scenarios when car dies out. But the fuel filter for me was definitely the first thing from where from start, because there were no information about the last service. So thanks for watching.